Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today we will build this awesome NFT landing page with HTML and Tailwind CSS. Today we will not build with Next.js. Okay, so let's see it first. This awesome website we will build today. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So today I will give you the starter file for HTML and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so here you can see the font. I add the font from Google. Okay, and I use Poppins, and also I will use Daisy UI for button. I also use in Next.js, and also the Tailwind CSS config file will in here in this particular area. Okay, after the link, and I will also use Flowbit. Okay, Flowbit and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so yeah, you can get this on my GitHub. By the way, I can also attach this thing in the description. Okay, so yeah, so our first task is navbar. Okay, so first I will take all the necessary image. Okay, so I will first forward it. I already take the background for this thing, and if I like, the logo is not visible yet because of I didn't give anything. So guys, I want to add this Daisy UI theme, this night theme, because it actually mess my website, mess with my website. So I will use night so that everything will be use this theme. Okay, so that's why I use Daisy UI night theme. You can also use Dracula, pastel, Halloween, garden, synthwave. If I go to dark, if I type dark in main HTML data theme, if I type dark, then if I go back to my website again, you can see the color change to the dark version of this portion. Okay, so I will use night version. Okay, so for that I will change it to night. Okay, so after doing that, crypto about pricing contact by NFTs. So what I will do in here, I will take a flex for those those things. I will take between I will give gap between 5 and item should be center. Okay, then what I will do in here, I will take a p tag, and if I go here again, about pricing contact. Okay, so about pricing contact. Okay, you see, you can see the font color. It by default the Daisy UI font color actually look like this night. If I want, I can change the color. There will be no issue. If I take here in the class name text white, then it should be white, no issue. But I think the Daisy UI theme is really good. Okay, so that's why they use this text for those dark or night theme. Okay, so I go back to the here. I will use white because they are using in here white, so I will use white for this thing. So if I don't need to tell the white for every perspective. I will just call the white in here like this way. Text should be white, then every text should be white in this portion. Okay, contact pricing contact and buy NFTs. So pricing contacts and buy NFTs. Buy NFTs. Okay, in this way. Okay, and I think the text should be a little bit bigger, so I think LZ will be good for this thing. Yeah, LG, yeah, okay. I think they use outfit, right? So let me just add the outfit Google font. Google fonts. I will add outfit in here, okay? So search for outfit because it's free. Yeah. Go here, click here, and you can also add from here like this way. I'm selecting those font, bold, 900 will be also there. Okay. Now what I will do, I will copy these things to header. Okay, so I will go back here and copy this thing, and I think I can copy the whole thing. Okay, so if I go here and if I go top, here you can see here I need to add this font things in here. Okay, and the in body part I already mentioned the font family in here, Poppins, so I need to use it like this way, outfit sans serif. So I will copy these things and paste the thing on body part, so everything will apply on that portion. Okay, so I think this I need to apply in this way. Oh sorry, that didn't copy. Wait, I didn't copy that things. Wait. Okay, now I think it will work. Let's see. Yeah, you see it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so in this particular portion I just need to add one thing, that is like the cursor pointer. Okay, so I will add cursor pointer. Sorry, it's my bad. Cursor pointer, and I think that's enough for right now. I think I need to give a gap between this portion, so I will add py2, and 2 will be a little bit smaller, so now it's all right. Let's see the design first. No, it will more gap. Okay, so 10 something else. 10 is also less. Then give 20. Okay, now it looks good, right? Okay, now what I will do in here, go back to here, go back to design, and discover and collect rare NFTs. So I will copy this text, and oh sorry, the navbar part actually done, so I need to go back here and take this all the time. Okay, so now what I will do in here, suppose I will add I will do the flex things. Okay, so I will give flex and justify between, and item should be center, and also I think that's perfect. Okay, now if I head over to the design again, so I take the flex and I give justify between these two portion, and in this will be attached in one div, and this will be another portion. Okay, so I will flex call this thing so that it will give column wise, so that's why I need to use that in here. So I can take the space also if I don't want to give any flex kind of thing, so I can take space y, something like that. Actually in here tailwind CSS space y around 5. Okay, like it will work like gap 5, where you give flex call then gap 5, it works same in here. Okay, so I need to take the p first, and here I need to give a class name. Text should be white, and also the font should be bold, and the text should be 6XL, something like that. Looks good. D should be okay. I'll use capitalize also. Oh, sorry, not collapse title. Capitalize. Nice. Okay. So now in here I need to give beer, like after discover then after collects. So I will give beer in here. After discover I will give beer, and after collects I will also give beer in here. So now it will looks perfect, right? Okay, I think the text should be a little bit bigger. 8XL. 8XL is too big, right? So I will add 7XL. 7XL will be perfect. Okay, now this portion. So I will go back to the code and take this and paste the thing in here. Sorry. Okay, now I'll text white and text SM, and I need to see the gap after buying. So I will place here beer after buying. Perfect, right? Okay, so now what I will do, buy NFT. So now crypto asset, it's done. So what I need to do, buy NFTs and sell NFTs. Okay, so I will take a flex because they are actually in a row wise, and I will give a gap between those things 5, and item should be center. And in here I will call the button, right? And sell NFT, buy NFTs, sorry, buy NFTs, buy NFTs. Okay, and I will give a class name, call btn LZ, and rounded full, and also border should be none. Okay, if I go back here in the okay, so the color, I need to specify the color. So I will do the BZ. BZ should be, I will give a hex value from Figma file. So I will copy the hex value from here and head over to code again and paste the thing in here. Okay, now if I go, and it's working perfectly fine, right? Yeah, I also need to do like the text should be white. Okay, now go back to here. Perfect. Okay, and also I need to create the same type of button in here as well, and the button should be outline. Okay, so btn outline. If I go back here, okay, I need to get rid of this btn lz thing, I think so. No, btn lz should be there. I need to remove the background. Okay, I need to remove the background, and now it will work. You see, now it's worked perfectly fine. And I need to give the border a color in this specific color. So I will select the color from here, copy and paste the color in here, like border, then paste the color in here. I think that will work. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. I think the border needs to be a little bit bigger, so let's just give it border 2, something like that. Now it looks good. Perfect, right? And okay, cell NFT should be white. Yeah, it's already in white. Okay, no issue. Okay, I think I need to change the color, right guys? So wait, let's just give the color one by one. Okay, sorry, copy this color and paste the color in here like busy, then give a custom value like that and paste the thing in here. We go back to navbar. Yeah, perfect. And also I will give the color in here as well. Okay, so I will just copy the color things in here and paste the color things in here. Now it looks perfect, right? Okay, let's just make this thing hide screen so that it will cover the whole area. It will looks good, right? Okay, now I report the design again, and I need to call the I need to call the image. So image, then hero. I think I should add that as hero. And yeah, now it looks good, right guys? Let me know in the comment. Okay, hero, and looks almost good, but they use a shadow type of things in here. Let's just okay, let's just circle 2, and this will be circle 1. Okay, circle 1, circle 1. Okay, now what I will do, I can do that, no issue. Okay, so in this portion I need to give it relative and just call the image which I copied circle 1, and I need to make this absolute, and class, I should give a class and absolute and top 0, and left should be also 0. Looks good. Okay, but the thing is, oh, I give a padding, that's why it's showing like that, right? So no, I will not give any padding. Okay, I can fix that, no issue guys. Now what I will do, I will do the this part, right? This part padding will be 20. Perfect, right guys? Okay, so I will also add the another circle in here. So in this hero section I will call relative, and then I will call the image in here before the flex justify between. So I will call the image, then CIR circle 2, and then class should be, what should be the class? The class should be absolute, and right should be 0, and bottom should be 0. That will work, I think guys. Okay, now it's working good, it looks good. So what we will do now, we will add this featured on our company, featured company in here. So I head back to the last part, and I can add this in this pricing section. Okay, so container, and here MX Auto. Sorry guys, MX Auto. Okay, now I will take a p tag called featured on. So what was the thing in here? Featured on, right? This text I need to copy, then go to here and paste the thing. Okay, and the text should be white and text should be Excel. Okay, if we head over to the here, you can see it's working perfectly fine, right guys? Okay, I also need to give this busy background for that section. Okay, let's add this background in body part. Sorry, I think the body section is no, it's okay. So I will add this body part and give the class busy in here. Now it will work perfectly, right? So I will remove this thing so I don't need to give the same thing twice. Okay, you guys can see now it's working perfectly fine. Okay, featured on, this text should be capitalized because capitalize, sorry. Okay, and it should be text to Excel will be a little bit good. Okay, then I will add the image, those images I attached. Company, I think so, company is busy, and in alt I will company. Okay, so oh shit, I already, okay wait, okay, now it works perfectly fine. Okay, so let's just give a gap between those two things. Okay, so get over to the code and in here I will give margin bottom 5. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, head over to the design again, and next analysis. Okay, so analytics or pricing section we will add. So what I will do in here, I will go to download section and give container. Okay, and MX should be auto. Okay, okay, now I will give a flex and justify between and make item center. Okay guys, okay, now I will add those content like this way. I need to add this pricing section, so I will add the image pricing, pri pricing svg, it will add and it will look like this. Okay guys, and then I also give it a name, pricing, and also I will take a flex call. Okay, and flex call for this portion because because if I give flex call, then it will divide into column wise like this. Okay, that's why I use flex or flex call. You can use space x, space y, whatever you want, and that doesn't matter. So I'm using in here flex call. Okay, flex call, and then I will give gap between those section 5. Okay, now what is the primary part in here? Analytics. Okay, analytics. So head over to the code and I will copy that text, analytics, right? Copy, paste. It's easy guys, Figma to HTML, it's easy. You can also make money with this service. I also make money with this service. Okay, text should be a little unique color for the give. I need to check the color in here, this one, right? Wait, again, this one. Okay, so yeah, this color I will paste in here. And yeah, analytics, after that I will add the built-in analytics. So I will copy the text from here by using power toys. Built-in analytics, sorry, oh sorry guys, sorry. I'll copy this and paste the thing in here. At first I make some mistake, that's why it happened. So I will give it a class text white, and also text should be around 5 pixel, and also font should be bold. Okay, let's go and check it out. Okay, looks good, right? And text should be capitalized. Okay. And after that I need to give br after analytics, breakpoint, HTML br. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what I will do, this portion I will copy and then paste the portion in here, and paste and give it a class name. It's like text white, should be white, and font is okay, text base. Okay, give it text base and let's see how it looks. Good, perfect. And I need to give br tag after valuable and portfolio. So here over to the code, after valuable in here br tag, and what was the last one? I forgot. Portfolio. Okay, portfolio here. Okay, so now yeah, perfect. Okay, now I will copy this same code because those are the same thing. I just need to change the direction. So what I will do, I will copy these things in this way and paste the things in here. And what I need to do, I just change this part. And make it in this way. And if we go back to here, and we need to select this as app, so the image should be app. So I will call the app.svg and it will work like this. Okay, I think their gap should be a little bit bigger, so we will, if we use justify around, I think the gap should be a little bit smaller. Yeah, okay, so let's just use justify around. Okay, justify around. Okay, nice. Okay, now head over to the code again. So yeah, justify around is perfect for these things, right? Sorry. Okay, now head over to the code, get our app, sorry, our app, and browse NFT from your smartphone. After from I need to give the br tag. It's easy, guys. Oh, sorry. Br, give the br. Okay, also copy the thing and paste the thing in here. It's almost easy landing page which I actually made in my channel. So if you are beginner, you can also use this and you can also learn from here. Okay, actually it's made for beginner. Okay, download ISO or view our pricing. Sorry, I forgot to add the button, so I need to add the button both of this part. Okay, so what I will do, in here I will add the button in here. So button, then what should be the name? Viewer pricing. So let's just copy the text and paste in here. And we will use Daisy UI classes. I already told you btn excel should be big or not. Excel is good. Okay, and it should be rounded full, right? Rounded full, and also okay, rounded full, and also it need to be border none, because by default it gets some border, so that's why I'm removing the border none. And also primary color, I think I need to select the color from here. So I copy this color from here and head over to the code again, and like I will type this way, this thing in here. Okay, so I'm using hex value for this particular button. Now you guys can see, and also the text need to be white. And is it capitalized or yeah, it's capitalized, so I think that will be perfect, right? Okay, viewer pricing, and second one is download on iOS, right? Okay, so head over to the code, and I will copy these things from here and paste the thing in here in after p tag. Okay, and I just need to change the text from here. Okay, so just copy the text. Okay, now it looks perfect, right? Okay, it's a really easy process. So yeah, that's for this video. I will do the second part for testimonial and call to action and footer area. Okay, so thanks for watching and happy new year, guys. Wish you all the best. I will catch you in the next one.